Hello, my name is Mahsa Saeidi, and I'm going to speak about comparing a traditional and LLM-based search for image geolocation, which classified through overview of search engine, purpose of the study, and research questions. The study investigates and compares two methods for geolocating image. The first one is traditional search-based techniques, and the second one and newest one is a large language method, large language model, which we call LLM-based approaches. What matters? Geolocating image is crucial for tasks like verifying image, mapping locations, or analyzing events. The paper explores how AI via LLMs might improve or differ from older methods. For example, a photo in a social media claims to show an earthquake in Tokyo. Why geolocation? How geolocation helps? By geolocating the image, we can confirm whether it was actually taken in Tokyo or if it isn't uh, or if it's an older image from a different place. Or a tourism website has a photo of a famous landmarks like Eiffel Tower. By geolocating these images, the website can map them accurately to the right coordinates, enhancing navigation and user experiences. And the nature disaster like a flood, in this situation, people post images to the social media showing affected areas, so emergency responders can geolocate this image. The approach of the study is divided to the traditional method and LLM-based methods. In traditional method, these methods rely on manually searching databases, metadata, or image features. And in LLM-based method, these use advanced AI models that process text descriptions and contextual information to suggest location. For example, we receive a photo of a city skyline, and the goal is to identify the location where it was taken. A traditional search check the image's metadata, for example, GPS coordination embedded in the file, which is available location, and the use reverse image search engine to find visually similar photos from an online databases. Image features analyze the skyline's unique elements, for example, tower or specific building, and manually compare them with known landmarks. Traditional method is effective if a metadata exists or photo has distinct recognizable features. However, it is time consuming if the image has no metadata and requires extensive manual work. But in LLM based, I'm going to skip these slides. But in LLM based method, we are going to provide a text description of the image. For example, a city skyline with a tall tower and a mountain in the background. And the LLM process the description use its vast knowledge of geography, landmarks, and context, and suggest possible locations like Seattle, Washington. The LLM quickly suggests a likely location based on context and its knowledge of landmarks, even if there is no metadata or database of similar image. It works well with less detailed image. So at the first steps, we understand that the major difference of the LLM and the traditional research. So because of the limitation in time, I'm going to skip the slides faster. We faced in this study with three questions. How does LLM-based search impact geolocation performance? How do users adopt query strategy, and what challenges arise with LLM? Related works are evolution of search engines, LLM-based search analysis, and image geolocation, which I illustrate them by examples. And I spoke about LLM-based search analysis and the image geolocations. About the method, study design between subject study with 16 participants who are from a university campus with a diverse range of academic background. So we are speaking about the academic people with a little knowledge at least. Task designs. The tools involves tasks which are GeoGuess for geolocation tasks, Microsoft Bing, which is a traditional, and Bing Chat powered by ChatGPT, which is LLM. And the metrics are performs score between 0 till 5,000 points, query patterns, and reformulation strategies. Overall, traditional search achieved a higher accuracy in geolocation tasks that its average score is 3,189 points. LLM-based search got lower average score with 2,725 points. Qualitative findings, clue identification, and challenge faced. Query formulation difficulties are some levels. The first one, LLM users struggle with concise, effective prompts. Language barriers are issue with non-English queries. For example, the Spanish people face the difficulty to translation, and the visual clue translation face difficulty in converting image details into search queries. User strategies for traditional search is additive keyword expansion, and for LLM is frequently rephrasing. Implications need for the better LLM interface and user education on effective querying. About the conclusion, I'm going to speak a little about the traditional search, more effective for image geolocation, and LLMs require enhancement in structured task support. Uh, about future future directions, we will see the improved LLM prompt literally for users and the focus on human centered design for LLM interface. The study highlights the strengths and weakness of each method and suggests that blending them could lead to be better image geolocation tools. I wish I could illustrate good this paper.